Get noticed in this 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.